Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Group Performance Awards presented to Iron and Steel Zone of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Swimming facility inaugurated for employees and family members of Rourkela Steel Plant at Steel Club. And in our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav series, today's personality is Shri Dhira Biswala. Now the news in detail. In the annual performance review and award function held at Gopabandhu Auditorium of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi ED Works and Mr. P.K. Satpathy ED P&A presented group performance awards for execution of special jobs by various departments of Rourkela Steel Plant. Departments that received the Group Performance Award from Iron and Steel Zone are Raw Materials Handling Plant along with FMM as Associated Department for Utilization of Unreclaimed Limestone and Dolomite for use as BF grade limestone, Coke Ovens along with RCM and Design Departments as Associated Departments for reduction in coke moisture by 0.9% by modification of quenching process, Sinter Plant 1 along with Traffic and Raw Material, Civil Engineering Services, Structural and Fabrication Shop and Design Department as Associated Departments for revamping of underground track hoppers of SP1 for utilization of limestone of CP2, Sinter Plant 2 along with Mechanical Shop as Associated Department for installation and commissioning of pallet deflection detection system in Sinter machine to prevent pallet derailment, Blast Furnaces along with Instrumentation and PBS Department for installation of bypass valve for bypass line TRT, Steel Melting Shop 1 along with MSS as Associated Department for modification of electrodes 3 regulation, Hydraulic Circuit of VAR, Steel Melting Shop 2 along with Crane Maintenance and Heavy Machinery Electrical Departments for complete revamping of electrics of Crane 5, Coal Chemical Division along with Environment Management Division, SCD and Fire Services as Associated Departments for replacement of booster number 4 and 5 header. The swimming facility for employees and their family members was inaugurated at Steel Club of Rourkela Steel Plant by Mr. Atanu Bhaumik, Director in Charge on 13th April 2022. Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED P&A, Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in Charge, MM and Marketing, Mr. Naresh Kumar, Acting ED Works, Mr. P.K. Sahu, CGM Projects Commercial and Working President of the Club, Dr. B.K. Hota, CMO in Charge, Mr. A.K. Behuria, CGM in Charge F&A and many other senior officers, representatives from Executive Association and different trade unions of RSP were present on the occasion. Large number of employees and their family members who have taken the swimming membership were also present on the occasion. The DIC and other senior officers of RSP discussed regarding adding more facilities to the club in the days to come. Mr. P.K. Behera, General Secretary of Rourkela Shramik Sangh, the recognized union of RSP, praised Mr. Atanu Bhaumik for initiating the facility, which will fulfill a long pending demand of the non-executive employees as there was no swimming facility for them earlier. The DIC also presented swimming cards to some of the members. The program was coordinated by Mr. G.R. Das, Honorary Secretary of Steel Club and other members of the Board of Directors. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant is presenting a series of news on the eminent personalities of Odisha, and today's personality is Shri Dhira Biswala. Born in Cuttack in 1921, Sri Dhira Biswala was an Odia actor and producer of reputation. The history of Odia cinema will remain incomplete without him. He had left an indelible mark in Hollywood industry. He started his career as an actor in the movie Noah Bow in 1962. Thereafter, he performed in many super-hit movies for a long period. Matira Monisha, Dharitri, Kanyadan were some of the popular movies in which he acted. He had also given direction in the movie Gauri in 1979. Apart from acting and direction, he had been one of the best filmmakers of Odisha. Kedar Gauri, Bandhu Mahanti, Swapna Sagara, Samay Bada Balavana are some of his masterpiece productions. During his lifetime, this ace actor was conferred with many awards and recognitions, including special award given by Government of Odisha known as Jaydev Award. He passed away in the year 1995. And that's all we have from our news desk today. Namaskar.